How to hide Amazon orders or delete Amazon order history. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, we will be discussing about how to hide Amazon orders or delete Amazon order history. So now let's get started. First of all, go to amazon.com and log into your account. Now select Returns and Orders from the top menu to see your orders. Now this will display all your orders. To hide an order, find the order you want to archive on the left side and click on Archive Order. Now you will be asked to confirm your choice. Remember, you can archive up to 500 orders and you can view these later in a separate archived orders list, which can be a bit harder to find. After archiving an order, it will no longer appear in your list. If you want to view your archived orders or unarchived one, click on your account in the top right corner, scroll down to Ordering and Shopping Preferences, and select Archived Orders. Here, you can see all your archived orders. To unarchive an order, click on Unarchive Order at the bottom left. So this is how to hide Amazon orders or delete Amazon order history. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.